Hi, this is Dr. Jerry Agasar of Wellness Solution Centers with your health tip of the week. Hips don't lie. We're going to talk about the importance of good hip mobility. In 35 years of practice, I see many people suffer from lower back pain, pinched nerves in the buttocks, down the leg called sciatica, painful tendonitis of the hip socket, the knees, the common denominator, poor hip mobility. And the most common cause of this, we sit too much. Our muscles tighten up when we sit for a long period of time. Another common cause is repetitive trauma. Tennis players like myself, I play 2 to 3 times a week. People that are avid runners, they may be strong, they may be athletic, but they don't have good flexibility. Another common cause is aging. Today we have Jenna, who's one of our trainers at the center. She's going to demonstrate a couple simple stretches and some hip mobility movements. Jenna, you're going to show the first simple stretch that we're going to show is the butterfly stretch.
Butterfly?
Yep.
Okay.
The butterfly stretch is easy. You just sit on the floor, and it's real good for elongating the muscles of the groin. So you take, how long would you take to do this, Jenna?
I would go about 20 seconds and then relax and then go 20 again and then move on.
Yeah, and then, so that's the butterfly stretch. The next one would be the Spider-Man. And you do this to your tolerance, all right? This is great to stretch out the groin again, the hip flexors. The hip flexors get very tight when we sit too long, and also she feels a little bit of a stretch in the ITB in the back of the hip. That's the Spider-Man stretch. The next one would be a modified pigeon stretch. Modified, I say, because most pigeon stretches are done on the floor, but since we're all new to this and starting out a stretching program, this is a little bit easier. And this is really good for the ITB, is the longest muscle that goes over 2 joints, over the hip and knee. And then you would just gently stretch it like that. Again, you would hold it for about 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
As long as you can tolerate. The key is just start and start slowly. This isn't a race. And the last thing I'd like you to show them is a simple fire hydrant to just mobilize the joint itself. And you would do about 10 reps, right, on each side, right?
10 reps on each side, 2 sets.
2 sets. So these are a couple, just a few stretches that you can do for your hip, as well as the fire hydrant mobility movement pattern. The key is just start a routine a couple times a week, and it should only take 5 to 7 minutes of your time. That is your health tip of the week. Thank you.